you very much for clicking on this video. It's me again, Teacher Adah Jules of 51 Talk. Hi A-Team! How are ya? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi! How are ya? I'm Teacher Adah Jules and I post videos about 51 Talks. So, if you want to know more about the company, just click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post new video. For today's video, we will be unboxing my newest headset. Yes, because just a little backstory. You all know about my Razer Kraken, right? And my Razer Kraken Kitty headset, which is my dream headset, by the way, it suddenly stopped working and I don't know why. Actually, I was gone for a week or so and I didn't use it for like more than 10 days. I didn't use it for more than 10 days. When I returned home and opened more slots, I found out that there's an update. There's a Razer update. So, I don't know. I didn't click or I didn't update my Razer system, my Razer signups. And that's what happened. It sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. So, what shall I do? I have my Jabra, but when it was returned to me, it doesn't work on my laptop anymore. I don't know what's wrong, if it's the headset or the laptop. But anyway, I don't have time to make a hypothesis of what happened to my equipment. So, I just bought another headset and I just found out about the new Hyperx Pink. I already heard a lot of stories and reviews about this headset and they say that the noise cancelling feature of this headset is really amazing. Okay, so I just want to try it. However, when I bought my headset last January, there was no pink. Okay, there was no available pink Hyperx. I already saw the box. Oh my goodness. What's the color? What's the color? What's the color? Tell me. Oh my gosh! Oh, what is this? Oh! Sonic? This is supposed to be a Hyperx headset. Oh! I have a feeling about this. I hope this is the headset stand. I hope there's a free headset stand. By the way, I ordered it and it arrived after 2 weeks. Okay, what's happening to you, Adah Jules? Alright, so that's it for this package. It's time for us to open this baby right here. Clouds Tinger! Okay, so this is the #1 best-selling PC gaming headset brand in America. Okay, so anyway, this is the pink one. You know why I got it? Yes? Why? That's right, because it's pink. Okay, so I can hear something from the inside. What is it? Okay, so here you can see the Hyperx where all gamers. I'm not a gamer. I'm just here for the color. So here we go. There's a problem, and I haven't told my boyfriend about this, so he's just right here. So he will hear this. Anyway, I'm not sure if this is a USB headset or a dual jack, because you know this is for PC. I'm not sure, but if this headset is for PC, perhaps it's a dual jack headset, and I hope it's not. So as you see, it's a lightweight headset with 90-degree rotating ear cups. So this one right here. Cast micro like 90 degrees. Oh my gosh. Okay, so are you all ready for the grand unboxing? Okay, so you can also turn the ear cups like this. I'm gonna miss my kitty ears, but anyway. Okay, so how are we going to open this? It's actually sealed, so you will need pair of scissors. Alright, so here we go. I waited 2 weeks for this because it's from China? I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Hyperx has you covered. Got issues with your Hyperx product? Contact our Okay, so here we go. Hyperx Cloud Stinger. Oh, is this Stinger? Stinger. But anyways, Hyperx Cloud.
New?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is. As you can see, it's dual jack. I can't use it for my laptop. I still need a connector for this. By the way, how much? I got it for only 3,090. Actually, it's just 2,990, but you have to add an additional 100 pesos for the shipping fee. Okay, so a total of 3,090. So it looks like this. Okay, so I'm here for the noise cancelling feature and the color. It's the color for me. Oh, I don't understand. Uy! Ay, single lang! Pero what's this for? I'm not really sure what it's for. Siguro! Ay, very good. I think if it's not compatible with your device, you may use this as a connector. Oh, thank you very much. You know, this one, I'm gonna use this. Oy! This is the loudest unboxing you'll ever see for my channel. So this is out. I'm gonna remove this. Let's... Ay, napak. Okay. This is actually my first time buying a headset from Shopee because my Kraken was from Davao. It's from Data Blitz Davao. My tita bought it for me and they just sent it to me via land transport. So, here you go. My new baby. My baby hype. Okay, Mom. Okay, here. It's so nice. I can't hear myself anymore. Just like the Kraken, I'm sweating. Okay, so it's like the Kraken. And what's the purpose of this one rotating? I'm not sure, but I like it. It's light. It's not very heavy, but I think I need to adjust this for my head. Oh, it's too... this one's perfect. Okay. I like this. Mine.
Bagay kaayo, baby. Mine.
Okay, so I like this one. And I just want to try the noise cancelling feature because a lot of gamers said, and a lot of online teachers as well, said that the noise cancelling feature of this headset is really amazing. So I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna try it on later. It's time for us to unbox this. I didn't order anything else aside from the headset, so I'm kind of shocked why we have something like this. I can only understand Somic. Somic. Hoy! Irving!
Hala.
Hala ka siya!
Ay, butang nga
nasa headset stand!
Hala ka, oh.
Ay.
Baliktad ka, anak.
Ano ka siya? Ay, dugin sa mga sarani. Nakabisayag angat, uy. Hala siya.
Unboxing mo Kraken, ikaw pa napalit.
Oo. Uy. I'm at a loss for words because I didn't order this one, and this is really the freebie. It wasn't stated there that I'm going to have a free headset stand when I buy a headset. It didn't state anything else aside from the headset. And I'm just amazed that it's also pink. Can I give the seller 10 stars for this? Thank you so much. I can't really express how amazed I am right now. But thank you very much. I am amazed because I didn't order anything aside from the headset, and here I am. The seller is pylexfun.ph. I'm gonna put the picture of the shop here. Okay, so I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This one's more special because it's free and it was really unexpected. Oh, you have here add-on deals pala, but I didn't order any. Yan. It's $199. I didn't order any. This one, if you buy the black one, it's $2,689 together. They still have 23 stocks for the pink one. So I got the pink one and I am just amazed. Thank you very much, pylexfun.ph. Just look for pylexfun.ph. Thank you very much. Oh. Yan. pylexfun.ph. Thank you very much. You've given the reward to the right buyer. Thank you very much. And of course, for the update, I told you that I have an update. They only allow yellow colored shirts now, so I bought 3. And if you're from Butuan, just go to choose. I bought this for only 170 each. Okay, so the brand is Crown and it's large. Okay. Alright, that's so nice. It's really nice. I have 3 here. Yellow colored shirt. 5-1 is changing their standards, so they want teachers to wear yellow colored shirts in the classroom. So I purchased 1, 2, 3. So just be safe, follow the rules na lang. And pylex.ph, thank you very much. Thank you so much, Pylex. That's it for today's video, A-Team. I hope you find this video useful and informative. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. If you think this video is OA, like you find me OA reacting to my new headset, I'm just in euphoria right now. You just don't understand how happy I am to have this as an extra reward. But anyway, I'm just doing this to share to everyone that if you wanna buy a quality headset, you can buy from pylex.ph. Okay, so this is not sponsored. This is out of gratitude because I'm very happy they sent me this. Alright, thank you very much, A-Team. I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!